Hey, good morning. How are you guys? I'm doing my pedaling thing here, and I want to tell you about something. I've been using this Garmin 520 for about six years, or yeah, about 6 years. I got my mask for in case I encounter someone, yeah, and talk. Well, so I was, using this Garmin, and I left it aside for a while, maybe a month or two, and when I charge it and turn it on again about a week ago, it turned on and everything, but I'm 30 minutes into the ride. But what happened was that it didn't acquire satellites. As you can see here, GPS, and I have both GPS and the Russian GLONASS. See, there's only one and sometimes two GPS satellites that this acquire. I don't know. And this happens after I update the firmware. I don't know if this thing has to do with this hardware or the firmware that I uploaded and put it here ruin the GPS. I don't know. So I have this cheap Chinese one, Breton, and I had it for 2 years. It's working alright, but it's not touchscreen. It's not nice as this one. Yeah, pretty sad for me because this one's like my main unit for seeing my heart rate, my everything. And then I have this which is a Garmin also, but it's like it's mostly for runners. I'm using it for cycling, but I don't know. I'm pretty sad. Yeah. And also I'm been look at how beautiful the sun is. I mean the sunrise. I've been working in things at the house, and I did a rocket stove, a little one. Well, I'm done here. I don't know what happened because it stopped recording every time that I push the button. So now I just paint it with a heat resistant. Now I have to test it. Yeah. So I don't know what else I can do. I don't think this is fixable. I think this has this is done, and the time of the day is run also. It's 2 hours. No, it's 7. It has to be 6:30. It's 3 hours forward. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep pedaling here. And I hope you have a nice week. Reset. I have tried to do a reset like 3 times, and it does not it doesn't seem to do anything, you know. And I don't know what else I can do, actually. Yeah. I have 3 satellites here, huh? How about that? If the device can see those 3, it will set my point. I hope it does. It's coming down, the 3rd one. We're gonna wait.